Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. In that same area right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's what the pillow is to remind me to remind you guys. It is so important on the YouTube platform for the growth of my channel, so I appreciate you so much. Besides subscribing, it is important once you are subscribed to take the time, it's 1 second right underneath the videos, to give me the thumbs up, because if you're enjoying my content, they then will look at those thumbs up and put my videos in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they enjoy this type of content, so it helps me grow. So I thank you so much for taking that second to give me that thumbs up, because it does mean a lot on the YouTube platform and I appreciate it. All right, today I'm really excited because I got my bag, the Glam bag, which is my favorite. It's where I started, so I have a real soft spot about this one, and I always tell everybody that if you're going to start with subscription boxes and you don't know where to start, I always suggest that you start with the Glam bag. It is $12 a month, and it always comes, because all of the bags that you get, or boxes that you get from IPSY, all come with a cosmetic bag that is not part of the count. This is supposed to be considered the 5 deluxe sample sizes, but they always throw in 1, sometimes 2 full sizes in the products. The value is always there. But what's really great about the IPSY Glam bag is it enters you into the IPSY family. What that means is you have access to the add-ons, the flash sales, the second chance sales, the shopper, all the other areas. That is where I really love to go on a daily basis to see what's the new product that they're trying to introduce us to. And what's great about IPSY is they also carry products globally. So you can get products from all over the world, as well as products that we know and we love, as well as introducing us to some new lines. So this is really, to me, one of the best places to start. It's where I did. And then you find out if you even just like getting a monthly box of surprises or a bag filled with surprises, and you always get a really cute cosmetic bag. This is the theme that was through the month of October. It comes also with a really cute toggle, and the wording on the back I think is fantastic, and it says "You are magic." So this is really, and the quality of this and the zippers that they put in, it's all high-end quality. I'm really impressed, and this is never in the value of the bags. All right. The next items that I'm going to share with you, and I'm really happy, they had a card and it has all the information in it, and I love that they do this. They didn't do it in the other 2 bags that I got, but so because they didn't do that, I did print out my information. I'm going to take it for my information here, because I do grab a lot more information than what they put on the cards. But on the cards they give you also, and that's why I'm happy it was in this bag. On this bag, when it's deluxe sample sizes, they never used to give you any pricing, but what they do in this bag is, because the items are deluxe sample sizes, they do give you what the price of the full size is. And for me, that's important, because before I fall in love with the product, I really like to know if I'm going to be able to afford or want to spend that kind of money to replenish. So I love that they give that in the card. So don't throw this away because it looks the same as all the other ones that had no information. Make sure if you get it to open it up, because it does have the information in there. All right, the first item that I got, and you also get to choose 1 item in all of this, even for the $12 bag. So I think that's fantastic too. And this is not the one that I chose, because you'll know right away which one I chose when we get to it. This one here is from IT Cosmetics, because I do share with all you guys, I don't know if I share with you my choice, but I share with you everything on the 2nd of every month when we get to see everything that's in our bags, as well as when the choices and the add-ons. I try to give you guys all the information that I wanted when I wasn't getting all these bags to know before I made the decisions. I wanted to know how things worked, what was available. So join me on through the subscription. It's free, and you'll get to learn as much as I have learned, and then I get to share that with you guys. So this was a product that I really wanted to try. It is the IT Cosmetics. It is the Lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara, and this is in black. My understanding is this was a collab that was done with the Dry Bar, And the full size of this is really cute. It looks almost like one of those round brushes with some yellow in it. Really, really intrigued with it. I almost got this, and I'm happy that I waited because I wanted to see it in the $3 section, because I love trying new mascaras in the $3 section to see if I like the formula, if I like the brush, because mascaras in the $3 section, the brush and the formula are the same as that are in the full size. So you really get to know if you like the product before you start spending $20 or $25 on some of these prestigious brand mascaras. And the full size of this is a $25 mascara. So this one says, imagine your lashes with 19, yes, you read that right, 19 times more volume. This mascara makes it a reality. You know how a round brush gives your hair the insane curl and volume. The mascara was made in partnership with Drybar, known for their fast bombshell blowouts, to give your lash hairs the same kind of lift, bounce, and structure volume without flakes or clumps. Not only would this mascara give you the instant thickness and definition, the formula is infused with biotin to promote stronger, healthier lashes with continued use. That's amazing. So they're saying about the brand, what do you get when you combine clinical testing, problem-solving products with cutting-edge technology and the best ingredients out there? You get IT Cosmetics. It's developed with plastic surgeons and dermatologists. This brand creates game-changing formulas that truly work. And they're saying this mascara gives you so much lift and curl. With just a few swipes, you wiggle the wand from the root to the tip for a falsy look and effect. So let's see what the wand looks like. Okay. It is really, it's very standard yet unique at the same time. It goes from small to wide to small, but very, very minor. And the bristles look like they are brush bristles, which is what I enjoy. So we'll have to see how the formula reacts and things. I do enjoy my Superhero mascara. That's from them. Their first mascara was one of my favorites that I don't see anymore. I loved the one on that. It had a little ball with some little spikes, so it was easy to do my lower lashes. The Superhero is fantastic. The problem with me with the Superhero is over time, it gets glumpy in the middle. And so it's really good for a period. And then I feel like the packaging of it ends up giving up on me before I think the product is emptied. So that's my only thing with that one. But I do love that mascara. The next one is from Lottie London. And this is a brand that I got introduced to. I don't know which product I tried. I think it was an eyeshadow from ULTA when it initially came on the market. This is the Slay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Fleek. And this, I think, is a UK brand, if my memory serves me correctly. And this one says, behold the perfect lip color for October. It is a warm terracotta shade that is giving us all the fall vibes. It's not every day that you find a liquid lipstick that's ultra long lasting and feels comfy on the lips. If your pout perfection awaits, a few swipe coat lips in rich, high pigmented color and velvety, non-drawing matte finish. Lottie London's innovative, long-wearing, high-pigmented products aim to help you express your creativity and your personality through beauty, a goal we can totally get behind. You'll feel beautiful inside and out when you wear their standout products. It simply says, line your lips using the precision tip, then fill in the center using the flat part of the applicator. So let's see what you're all about. And this came fully packaged. I had to take the packaging off. So this one here, it's a really small tip and it has an angle to it. So let's see. So when they say precision, you can line it with the tip of the top, and then on the flat surface here, you'd be able to just put the product down. And I just did one swipe and it is really beautiful. That's the color there. So really excited to have this and give this one a try. All right, so the next one is my pick. And this is a brand that I have fallen in love with, and I just found out this quad is a full size. So this alone is $20 in a $12 bag, and every time I've had an opportunity to even get it in the add-on section, it has been in the $3 section. And if you see these, grab them. The formulation is fantastic. The colors that they mix together, I think, are fantastic. I'm really impressed with this. So this is one that's called the Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow. They say hello to the 4 autumn-inspired matte and shimmer shades that you will want to wear everywhere this fall. Use the metallic shades to give your eyes sheen and sparkle, and use the matte shades to create depth and dimension. The color payoff is super intense. The texture is ultra buildable and blendable, and it's all thanks to the soft clay and rich mineral pigments in the formula. I'm finding more and more that I'm learning the products that are made with clay are the ones for me on my skin type last on my eyes, last on my cheeks. I tell you all the time, the Tarte Amazonian clay blushes are such a win for me. And if this is also made with clay, maybe that's why I'm so in love with this product. And it says the ORYZA creates high quality rice-based products that are rich in moisturizing protective ingredients like jojoba oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, and more. And let's see what the colors that I got this time. Yeah, they're stunning. That's what they look like here. And I read up on one of the comments. There seem to be a lot of the manufacturers are having a lot of trouble, that a lot of people are taking the products that we're getting at such discounted prices in our bags, and they're going into the retail locations and trying to return the products for full retail without receipts or anything. So a lot of the companies are starting to put on stickers that say not for resale and things like that. I can't believe that the luxury that we have to be able to get these products at these prices, to be able to enjoy it, and these companies want to work with these boxes to do this for us, that people are going ahead and trying to return it for the full retail prices. It's just going to ruin it for all of us, because they'll just stop supplying these products. But what this company did, which I thought was fantastic, is they changed the order of how they put the products in. It is the exact same product. So if you get this and you go to their website and you look to see if, this is, the product or not the product, on their website, this color might be up here or out here, but there will still be the same 4 shades. So they know which products they've put in to the boxes. They're not changing the formula, they're not changing anything, they're just changing the order, and I think that is brilliant. So that's what the 4 colors look like here. And they are just beautiful. They are buildable, they are stunning. There's never, for me, any fallout. I am so impressed with this brand. Like I said, every time a new one comes out, I'm first in line to grab it. I cannot believe that we have access to this brand for, in the $3 section. And here, when I had it as a choice, I didn't even want to take a chance to see if it was in the add-ons or not. I grabbed it to make sure that I can get it. And the last item that I got is, sorry, there's 2 more. This item here is from RandCo. It is a Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion. It is a fast, dry hair. It is more prone to frizz, dullness, and breakage. The Cure, this lightweight lotion that has jam-packed with ingredients that amplify hydration and shine. It's like moisturizing Brazilian oil and protective nettle. It also is formulated with witch hazel, which fights frizz. I didn't know that, and gives your hair a glossy finish. I didn't know witch hazel fought frizz. That's good to know. Rosemary helps to remove product buildup and maintain the health of your scalp. With and out of this world scent, this includes notes of juniper berries, blood orange, rhubarb, leather accord, violet, and dark woods. You will not need perfume. This eco-friendly hair helper is vegan and cruelty-free. About the brand, it says it's founded by a group of the industry's most sought-after hairstylists. RandCo is making waves in the hair scene with playful packaging and products that really work, and it smells like an exotic perfume. Using RandCo formulas is just as good as guaranteeing yourself a good hair day. How to use it: smooth a dime-sized blob over your towel-dried strands, up to a quarter-sized dollop if you have coarse hair. Then air dry or blow dry for a smooth, shiny finish. Batting frizz or flyaways on day 2. Rub a pea-sized drop between your palms, and then smooth over the top of your dry hair. Sounds amazing. And I know a lot of times we see, oh my God, that smells amazing. Wow. Okay. I have seen these a lot in the FabFitFuns and a lot of areas, and I never tried their product and I never smelt their product. I will definitely be trying this, and this is definitely just from the scent alone. If it does what it says it does, this will definitely be a purchase for me in the fuller size. I'll be looking for that in future sales. Really, really nice. And then the last item is another full size. So we got a $20 full size quad, and we got a full size brush from SLMISSGLAM. And this is her P40 round blusher brush. This is really small for me for a blusher brush. What I use these for, I'll show you in a sec. Let's just read what it says. It says, we'll always look to SLMISSGLAM for brushes with a touch of fun and sparkle. It is, it's beautiful. And personality with this gorgeous blush brush. with an emerald green sparkle handle. It doesn't disappoint. The synthetic bristles are super soft to the touch and blend cream powder, wet or dry pigments with ease and no streaks. It is bold. This one brush builds up colors like a pro. You can even use it with bronzers too. They're saying this is an $18.50 MSRP, which stands for manufacturer's suggested retail price, and it is full size. They're saying she was a YouTuber and a beauty guru. Her name is Stephanie Lewis. So that's, I guess, the SLMISSGLAM. As a touch of fun of your routine with unique eye-catching makeup brushes, this brand's mission is to make every person feel glam while getting ready. And she always has these cute little stones also on the front. I'm finding no matter what, even my shader brushes, the other products that I have of her that are brushes have these two stones in it as well. But it is really, really a beautiful, beautiful brush. And it's very soft and really, really nice and really unique. Brushes this size, I find what I use is I use this a lot for my banana powders that I use for underneath my eye. I also use these brushes. Also, I'll put them and spread them like this, and I use them sometimes to use for contour and things like that. So these size brushes for me, I like a bigger, fluffier, because I just love bronzers and blushes, and I like them with bigger, and my cosmetic ones are the ones I use for that, and they're a lot larger, and they have an angle to it. So I will try it the way that she suggested to use it because, you know, she created it. But if I end up not using it for that, there are definitely other uses for this. And that's everything that we got in our glam bag. So I think we did fantastic. So really, really happy. We got the bag, we got the IT Cosmetics, we got to try the Lottie London Terracotta, really, really pretty. This hair product, which I think is absolutely fantastic. The 4-quad from the, I always pronounce the name wrong, or ORYZA. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, guys, help me. And then this here is the full-size brush, as well as, like I said, the bag. Really, really happy with this. Share with me down below if you got any of the same items and if you've had the opportunity to use them yet and how you feel about them. Or if you've already used these products and you're familiar with them, please leave that in the comments down below. Really excited to know what you guys got in your bags. Like I said, this is one of my favorite products. So hopefully you guys are just as happy with yours as I am with mine. As always, as you know, I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. It means everything. But during this time, it is so important for me to always tell you guys to continue to stay safe so you can stay well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.